Kumsiban taban wan ra susu ika jingkala hapoh ki shnong ki thao ki badan hapoh ka 19 South Shillong ka bayadai bat ki pynroi umentri ka than Bah Sanbor sulai mentah singi ka arpo tere ujemmang arjar pulai ula pelat paidbah ya ki skhim pynroi nang bentah ki shnong bape ki bahap hapoh ka 19 South Shillong constituency ka balakot kumbak ar klur tami ai. Kini ki skhim lamang pisa lengba ke Urban Smart City Project SUWP bat PWD nagbentau senam arja arpulai ya kini jing pelat paidbah kini ki skhim la penlong ha Assam Club kebadan laban Shillong ha jing don lang ringkat ki officer sarkar na kitanat baper habakran kini jing lang men pelat paidbah ki skhim na kaliang Bah Sanbor sulai ulaong bakani jing pelat paidbah ki skhim ke dei ha ka wat ke beningkong hadin bola syajet biang banlong kumu MLA ke South Shillong Shushu Bah Sanbor ulaong bayak ni skhim an sa ai shaki darbar shnong baper bat kumjuru shaki village councils na kabenta ban pynroi kam yaki kam pynroi baper
General Secretary of Lower Laban Bah General Secretary of Lower Laban
Today, as you have got this record of the scheme, this will be my first scheme after you elect me as your MLA. This is my first scheme of the year that I have prepared before the election, and a total amount of the civil works is 12,27,51,300, and recently again we have got sanction. This detail of the scheme, we have got sanction for this smart city scheme, both in municipal and cantonment area, amounting to rupees 4 crore. This is for installation of VMP, ECV, PAS, ITMS. I'll come to it later, and there will be more scheme because my plus point, your plus point is just because you are very wise to elect Bah Sanbor from the BJP. That's why through the help of our union minister from Delhi, we are getting the scheme. Straight recommendation has been given. That is the beauty of the BJP. You are very wise. I congratulate. I must congratulate and appreciate the wise voters of 19 South Shillong constituency that you have elected me from the BJP, the party who is ruling in Delhi. That's why you are getting all this scheme. And more scheme is coming from the central scheme, which we are going to launch like this from time to time, very soon. More bias, that Lupari also, hospital, very soon we are going to inaugurate, to lay the foundation soon. That will be later. So this scheme, this is under smart city. Under smart city scheme amounting to rupees 5 crore. These are the renovation, beautification and repairing of drainage system within 19 South Shillong with the aqueduct system. You have seen? Then we will come to the second phase. I must second phase later. So before I read clause by clause all the scheme, this will be the last item. So I would like to express my sincere thanks to all our brother and sister, the ground force. Without them, I think all this scheme will not be materialized. That is the ground force, I mean right from the CEO, Chief Executive Officer of the Shillong Municipal Board, the Chief Engineer, the Assistant Chief Engineer is here by Eddie, Baprang Suting, on all their team who have devoted their time, their physically, mentally, physically, and even financially they have to spend from their pocket for POL, for tea, when they go along with the Bah Shnong and his Dorbar for inspection, for survey. Thank you so much. Dorbar Shnong also, thank you so much. I must congratulate the Bah Shnong and all the Bah Dong who have given the cooperation to the various departments. The WD department, from the executive engineer, the assistant executive engineer, the JE, and all the Dorbar Shnong who have given their cooperation to survey, to do the measurement, to prepare the DPR for various roads which we have got sanctioned recently. And also we are going to release 100 numbers of LED street light. And I would like to request the head of the traditional institution, Bah Shnong, Bah Dong, sit and discuss nicely, and please identify. Don't concentrate on the main road, because the first phase has been installed, as we have seen. So this is the second phase for 100 numbers of LED street light, where we are going to earmark to distribute to all the Dorbar Shillong, including village council.